Kunya kung sa ligid ang oras ta ano ha.
Lagi. Padna naman siya. Padong naman siya.
Dali mo to.
Padong na lagi siya. Di lagi mo rin padong na siya diri ah. Di na siya patug hospital.
Wala ko hospital.
Emotional biyang walay ka na emotional.
Mo na ko gabi ako nagkurkurog ko.
Murag grabe ra lagi ang Heart of Stone lagi ni. Pag abot ni tatay kantahan ninyo ang Lupang Hinirang sir. Yes. Kanang mo kanta kag Lupang Hinirang ever murag karon pa ko kanta Lupang Hinirang actually. Kaduhan na. It's the only 2 times na gyud ko ever gikan ko diri.
Kana kay man news man international.
Yeah.
Nindot ni kanay mga international media.
Importante pasunod dyan kang VP Sara. Yes, si VP Sara darating daw siya ngayon din. Ayo pag karong gabi. Karong gabi. Nya pick po ng oy may nag-pick po ako oy may mga pick po ako ng screenshot live. Okay. DB it's very surreal. The feeling is so surreal. Filipinos are here. Paki-mention po si Madam Mukaw para ma-post sa page. Okay. Gusto ni Tatay din ang ano man ni si paulit-ulit.
Basta man.
Ambot, paulit-ulit sila no. Ayo pag-up, baka walang dalang sweater. Rosemary Marshall, under blah blah blah. And then, okay, miss. Stop typing, ma-restrict ang live. Katulong sa mga... Bakit walang galit? Kasi di na pakain. Botuanon kaayo po. Exactly, Botuanon yung komenta na solid. Sir, basi makatagag jacket. Yes, we are going to provide. Yeah, we already have that. We are going to provide that. It's just at the moment we are very preoccupied.
Kung ihatag dahil mo ko sa jacket, na kailangan jacket kung ihatag.
Ihatag din,
Langon.
Pero ante dito gihatag og permit sa No, that's not true at all. We both don't have nana si Tatay Digong. Murag guys, nana si Tatay Digong guys. Kaya ang mga tao guys, tanaw mo. Look at this. Unsa naman?
Nana daw.
Nana.
Nana kuya? Andiyan na?
Nakasakay na. No, that's not true. Both of us, we don't have permit. Siya okay, blah blah blah. Philip, salamat pag live sir. Okay, nasa ka vlogger nagpikit ang aking sir, alam niyo pang oras na lating ni VP. Hindi namin alam. And I think that's confidential. Kulang nung sinakyan ni Tatay Digong. Ingon ni Richard katong tagagawas sa newscaster Bato Mindanao kay African download sa Mesa Europe. Kuan. Di pa ko muuli. Ang buong grabe arrival ayo pagbasa. Di ato ba ang kamo? Pagbasa ko kay ano man, wa pa maghihapon.
Sir,
Yes po.
okay lang po ba to get your insights po? I'm Andy, by the way. I'm a journalist based in the Czech Republic, but I'm covering this for GMA News in the Philippines.
Okay.
So I flew from Prague earlier this morning just to cover this news po.
Yes po.
Sir, is it okay po to get your quotes po or to get some your
Insights,
your
yeah, okay.
insight sentiments po? I'm writing this po for GMA News Online.
Okay.
Nagpa-Facebook live po ba kayo? Nagpa-Facebook live po kayo?
Oo.
Okay po.
Okay lang?
O
Data privacy, I think.
Opo, GDPR po.
Okay.
Opo. Is okay lang po kung if you want
To be quoted.
to be quoted or
okay.
I mean I'm getting background information po, but if you want to be named, pwede rin po.
Okay.
It's up to you po.
Yes,
Is it
what's
okay, sir?
what's the question is po?
Why are you here, sir?
Yeah, basically
By the way, sir.
Yeah.
Okay lang. Gaano katagal dito po ba kayo sa
yes, I'm studying here in the Netherlands. I've been here for
Studying.
yeah. I've been here for almost 8 years, I think.
Mm.
The main reason bakit kami nandito is actually to really show our undying love and support to the president who we think does not deserve kung ano yung na-experience niya ngayon. I think it is incumbent upon us Filipinos here residing in the Netherlands to show our love and support that during these difficult times we are with him. Through the thick and thin of difficult situation, we are here.
Okay, sir. Okay lang po ba pangalan or no?
Alvin po.
Alvin. Yun
Yes,
po,
yeah,
Alvin. Ano po ang master's or PhD?
Yes, masters po.
Okay lang po malaman yung or
No, it's
master's
okay,
student.
just
Okay.
not yet.
A master's student po. What were your reaction the first time that you heard of the arrest? That was like yesterday, right?
I think basically we always want to assert that we are no longer an ICC member state and that this is not right. And there are a lot of problematic parts of the arrest in itself. That's the main reason why a lot of Filipinos were against, and it's evident everywhere in the Philippines and also globally apparently.
What's your hope, sir?
Of course, we would hope for the president, Tatay Digong, to be brought back to the Philippines, because if he has committed crimes or alleged crimes, he should be tried with respect to Filipino courts. Our judiciary is alive and well. It is functioning. So why do we need the ICC? Withstanding the fact that we are no longer an ICC member state.
Okay po.
Yeah.
Sir, I need to repeat lang just to make sure that I don't misquote you.
Yes, yeah.
Sir Alvin, you're a master's student for 8 years already here in the
No, initially I came here to study for my second bachelor's, and then now I'm studying my master's.
Living in
The Netherlands, yeah. Living and studying in the Netherlands for almost 8 years. And I think it is also important for us to assert our independence as we are a sovereign state. And we should not conform to the foreign powers, and stuff, yeah.
So sir, I just wanted to repeat just to make sure that I don't misquote you. You're a master's student living in the Netherlands for 8 years, and you're here to show, quote, your undying love to the former president during this difficult time. And your reaction upon his arrest, quote, we are not part of the ICC and there are a lot of problematic parts about the arrest.
Correct.
And your hope is to, quote again, to be for our former president to be brought back to the Philippines.
Yeah.
If he committed crimes, he should be tried in Philippine courts. Why do we need the ICC?
Correct.
Okay, sir. Just wanted to make sure that I quote.
That is perfectly fine. Let's watch. May 10 to 15 naman siya. Hilak na siya. Naghilak na siya. Emotional na sila. Ako ganun, emotional. Ko. It just shows that you really love him unconditionally. We are here to support him. Galive pa ko ate. Gusto niya, yeah, exactly. That's not possible. You are right, Mai. Can you show his? No, I don't think. Yeah, he is. He is Pinoy. That's it, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, no
Thank
worries.
you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
okay.
sir.
No problem.
Kasi, like I'm sending the codes and then
No, that's perfectly fine. Just wanted to make sure. Thank you po.
Sino nagsabi?
Kung daw?
Bayaran daw tayo.
Hindi tayo bayaran.
Hindi tayo bayaran.
Ay,
Ngayon galing, wala
Nice to
akong
meet you.
may 100 ako ngayon.
Emotional na
Bayad
ka.
sila.
Emotional na
Bayad
ako.
na sila, bayaran tayo. Wala pa
Sige lang.
tagal na tatay. Ang tagal-tagal.
Yes,
10 minutes
please.
daw?
Yes, screen save po ninyo. Yes, exactly. Basin ma-report sa TV. Yeah, that's correct. Kasama, yes, exactly. We are one in this. We are one in this. We are here to support our president. We love Tatay Digong. We're here for you. We are going to be with you all throughout these difficult times. We really are here for you guys.
Human rights and everything.
All the Filipinos in the Netherlands who recognize you as the father of the Philippines for what you have done so far. Well, maybe I should speak for myself,
Pilipino tayo lahat.
but this is really significant.
May anti-Duterte o pro-Duterte.
If this is not significant, I don't know what is. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay lang dito, may mga anti dito. Hindi kami nag-ano kasi yun yung in-anticipate
Yes, guys. Please, GMA baka iba naman. Okay. Please,
naglagay ng mga black cards dito. Katulad nila
just-
umaga, may mga black cards sila na nagsasabi ng mga pangit.
it's really crazy. It's making me cry.
Yun lang. Halos mga
It's really crazy. I don't know. Yeah. I'm ugly crying, but yeah.
bangag ng
It's a weird feeling to be here.
kaya ano talaga sila. BBM sila.
You can share the video.
Sa Den Haag,
For people to see.
Ano lugar dito, Tem? The Hague, no?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna break down later, but
The Hague. Ayan, dito sa...
I don't care.
Di ko naman maintindihan yung pagkabasa ng peso.
I'm human too.
Daghan kay mga media.
Yeah. Look at the medium.
Ito yung may... Diyan siya i-detain ngayon.
Giliw ko.
Yung mga Pilipino, ayan, kumakanta na sila. Paulit-ulit na yung kanta nila.
Yeah, oo nga.
Yung nagdala ng flag dyan, siya yung president na ano, taga Belgium yan siya, pero siya yung president ng Filipino organizations ng Duterte's group.
Huwag kang magpaalam. Dito ka pa.
Pinsan niya. Correct. Kung mga anti-Duterte kayo, pwede naman kayo manahimik. Wala naman po masyadong ayaw nyo sa tao.
Tama.
Di ba? Kami hindi naman din nga mga Duterte.
Kalamian
hindi
na
naman
bago
din
na
kami
question,
nagsasalita tungkol sa ano ng masama tungkol na profit mga antay kayo. Isipin na lang natin Pilipino tayo.
Hindi ito bago yung question. We feel you because we love you. Exactly. It's very, very difficult.
Maglaban-laban. I mean, maglaban-laban.
Was as No. That's definitely not the case.
Yeah, minsan nati-trigger talaga kasi may mga ano talaga mga aktivista dito.
Do you think that
Parang
imagine the question, guys? Do you think that he randomly killed them? Are you sure? Are you crazy? Why would you ask something like that? How can you just randomly kill somebody and you expect somebody to just say yes?
sa nakikita ko, kadalasan or halos lahat talaga dito is nag-aabang para sa pagmamahal ng ating bayan at para kay Duterte. Ay, sorry naman.
Oh my guys, we are 20,000 strong online. So we need to be very, 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 very sure.
Mario!
I hope na dili ninyo i-report ang video because this is historic. This is about not only the former President Duterte, guys. This is about the Philippines and our independence, our sovereignty. This is really something else. Yes. Look.
Hindi man, basta nga, ginagawa namin dito, basta
The peace,
lang,
the peaceful
be mindful
gathering.
sa, sa
Actions.
Di, ang katulong nga ina pag ni Dave.
Punta ka sa Blue Am. Ni tatay mo. Yeah, because you know why? There's ano,
Hanggang 10:30 lang ikaw.
Lagi ko, lagi ko something kay mo rin.
Bitaw, murag kuan gid sila. Nakatina gid slide.
We are not welcoming somebody. If the car will come, we will close the gate.
No.
Naintindihan niyo yun? Ano pa
Di,
kayo?
kalama lang daw. Yeah,
We don't agree that he will come inside. If the car will come, we will close the gate. We don't agree that he will come inside. We will close here when he comes.
No, we cannot do that. No. That's
Good idea, sir.
No, gusto niya na ato because we want to show our ano.
No.
No.
This is enough.
But we don't want ano.
natin si Duterte. Hindi natin na-agree kasi
Wag,
Gusto mong harangan?
tayo ang mapapasama.
Magkakaroon ng promotion yan.
Kasi magka-problema pa tayo.
Problema tayo.
This is a peaceful assembly. We don't want any problem. We don't want any problem.
Inasa dito.
Hi, ate. No, sir, we should not do that. We should not do that. No, I don't think so.
It's not an issue na
It's all the responsibility. If you don't do that, it's your problem.
Yeah, but I don't think so.
Yeah.
Don't push me.
No. If you don't do that, it's your problem.
Yeah,
Don't tell
exactly.
the others.
No, why?
And don't touch me also.
salamat ka.
Exactly, yeah.
75 lang ang ako English na. Daghan din yung isulti.
No, because actually this is a peaceful protest, huh? How can you? That's crazy.
Gagamit na mga hindi nga naharang yan sa Dubai, sa hindi naharang din sa
Ate, the advice is to harang, but tatay don't want that. Yeah, he doesn't like that.
Ate, pagsabihan mo. Pagsabihan mo. Tayo ang mapapahamak.
Buang. Make harang.
Si ano.
Yeah, mag-touch. Yeah, siya. You have responsibility. Dukduko na ko yung naong. Sumbago mo yung tak.
Easy for him. Kaya ano ba niya?
Ito, guro siya mahadlok ka ng Pinoy.
We don't need to shout or we don't need to harang ha.
Tayo mapapahamak.
Yeah. I think dito sa kabila. Uy, I think hindi din dito kasi nakabas daw si tatay. Nakabas daw. Nakabas, di ba? So, I think doon yun sa kabila. Ano man?
So dito. Guys, may gusto dito. Ito siya from you're from Belgium, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Bakit dito? Your churba.
Provoke nila mga
Your support.
Yeah, exactly.
Really, kung ano, mo take over ang mga police.
Imagine gusto niya na magpuan ka problema pa inoon pa dito talas pa.
Trabaho daw tayo hati-hati. Hindi ka maka-live series.
Sakit sa buot. Ingatan ko sa tayo dagong niya exactly. Lipay ka sir asa silisa.
Respect the...
Ayaw yun niya tanawon sakit niya. We are 23,000 strong.
Harangan namin. Pagdating daw ni Duterte dito yung sasakyan, harangan namin. Which is,
No, I will stay here.
No, don't.
Uy, inte. Ayaw ko ni inte.
sir,
Kinsa man ang asawa?
isa mga asawa. Pabadlungon ko na siya.
Asawa niya.
Asawa na niya.
Asawa niya. Ina na
Ay,
siya.
hindi natin.
Hindi na pwede ka. Provoke siya ano. Chaos.
No? Silent martial law kung tutuusin niya isa ko.
Alam mo yung mga polis, nag-trust na sa atin kasi kung ano, tignan mo, andun lang sila. Yung
How
mga
sad.
puliso, andun lang sila.
God bless you guys. Nanood kami ni Hana mula Bantay Tas Kalibutan. Okay, yes, exactly. No, buot ka. Totoo ba ang martial law? Naana sa airport si tatay, wala pa ka naog.
No, guys, kung magubot yun meron na,
Tagapuan man na siya siguro.
Down siya.
Belgium, lahi ko ilang init.
Because yung history before is that activist din siya. He is a farmer. He always in the
But this is not his
Very
problem.
old. Very old style ba na ganun? Very Philippines.
Yeah, imagine, madaling araw, 23.
Tayo sa Pilipinas para ganun naman.
Pagliw-liw ta, budot. Budot sa...
Kami ito, mga batch namin to.
Ay, naku, water diri.
Support ko siya.
Og food. Buang naman. Food. Bulletches. Kasi nga nadali ako ang sa bag.
Marangin na hindi papasok.
Ako gusto mangkog din ako. Kung akong gusto later na friend. Thank you. I appreciate
Yes, exactly. We are 20, almost 24,000 strong, guys.
it. No? 25,000.
Almost 24,000 strong.
Wow.
Exactly.
That's good. Yeah.
Mabababa kasi yung Pilipino niyan dito, tapos mag-aano siya mga percent. Walang hanglupaw ngayon na.
Sige, Jud, kog hilak ni undang hilak ni text duty. Work ugma. Sa buot na naluoy ko sa atong sitwasyon. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Grabe ka gasto ang bansang kasing-kasing pala desisyon. Hindi ka magtrabaho ka ba? Okay. Sabi, okay. Guys, you need to...
Si Mother Kay,
Doon ate, meron. Sa loob.
sino si Mother
Mismo.
Kay?
Helipad.
Kay. Yung asawa niya ni Duterte.
Yes po. Yes, ingat talaga. Merong nag-show ng support and love as much as we appreciate it. Gusto niya na pigilan ang bus na pumasok dito. Paano pag pigilan yung bus, di magka-problema kami. O, paano pag ano, di ba? Pag magka-problema kami, ano nangyari? Wala na yun. Imbis kayo dapat ipakita natin na tayo mga Pilipino, we are capable of ano. Yeah. Correct. Oh. We should observe ano, proper decorum.
Exactly. May tamang paglaban, no, 'di ba?
Saman. Di pwede. Kung imo ning hulawan makadaot sa pag-eskwela.
Iharang mo niya ang flag diri, ma'am, no sa man. Iharang ang flag.
Oh. Grabe katugnaw, guys.
Nakikita ko na scarf siya.
Wala ko yung scarf. Ikuotin mo sa imong itlog.
Kanang bulag. Is very 700 of followers and millions of views.
Muling
Tingnan mo, nagla-live ka, ilang 6,000, ilan?
23,000.
23,000 guys! Sa akin, 7 people lang. 29.
Kanina pa yan?
Yabot pa siya 34.
Kanina 20,000.
Paano naman daw?
Dali na.
10 minutes lang.
Batang may laban.
10 minutes lang.